Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Viki Rakuten settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Viki and we click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Viki app. Then you can update your app if you find updating this plus sign.